And every language have its vocabulary and its grammar. So we need to know about its vocabulary and grammar also. So hashtag mean heading. When we talk with R, we use our language. Similarly, as when we talk with Chinese or Englishman, we use English or Chinese or Urdu or any other language. And all languages have its vocabulary. So R also have its own vocabulary. So hashtag mean heading. So when I type here hashtag R, consider its heading. So I am giving its heading about today class, that is what are packages. I give you an example to explain packages. For example, here is a Farhad Alam, Mr. Farhad Alam and his supervisor are in a room, and or you can say in supervisor office. The supervisor of Farhad Alam saying that here is a beaker, and beaker have some solution within, and his supervisor say him, please go to lab and find its pH and find its pH. So it is the first task of Mr. Farhad Alam. When he go to lab, he find different instrument found in lab, and each instrument have its own function. Like here he find thermometer, pH meter, microscope, spectrophotometer, PCR, and so on. But which instrument is used for to measure pH? Very simple answer, pH meter. When his supervisor say, please calculate or find its pH, Mr. Farhad Alam need a pH meter. But when his supervisor say that please find the pH, find its temperature, then Mr. Farhad Alam need thermometer. When target is pH, then he need pH meter. But when target is temperature, he need thermometer. But when his supervisor say, please find microorganisms found in this solution or in this beaker, he need microscope. When task is microorganism, then he need an instrument name microscope. But when his supervisor say, please find zinc and iron concentration of the solution, zinc and iron concentration, then he need atomic absorption spectrophotometer. Absorption spectrophotometer. So one question is clear, that is, for each task you need a different instrument. Like when your task is about pH meter, pH, you need pH meter. When your task is to find temperature, you need instrument temperature. When you find microorganism in solution, you need microscope. And when you need to find zinc and iron concentration, you need atomic absorption spectrophotometer. So different instrument have different function. For example, if your supervisor say find pH, you must find pH meter, not microscope. But when your supervisor say please find microorganisms, you need microscope, not a pH meter. So each and every instrument have its own function. Similarly, that is very important point. Similarly, in our in our biological lab, all these instruments are packages. If I say pH meter is a package, thermometer is a package, microscope is a package, atomic absorption spectrophotometer is a package, and PCR is a package, then it is not a wrong. Similarly, when we work on R, it is also similar to our biological lab. When we want to draw a graph, we need an instrument. When we draw PCA, we also need instrument. When we draw dendrogram, we also need an instrument. Actually, all these instruments in the term of R programming is known as packages. So if we see in biological lab, pH meter is a package, thermometer is a package, microscope is a package, atomic absorption is a package. Similarly, in R, all instruments that is used for a specific function, like some instruments are used to create a graph or a package for graph, some for PCA, some for dendrogram, and each and every analysis have its own instrument, or we can say it as packages. So I hope you can understand what I want to say about packages. If you have any confusion about packages, please let me know. I will explore it more, and if okay, now I am going to explain with example and practical. Please let me know it's okay. Hello, are you hearing me? Okay, now I move to next step. I want to explore more about packages. So if you click on the button, here is packages. If you click on the button, here is on packages within screen number 4. You can see lot of packages list is found here. Similarly, in our biological lab, each instrument is used for specific function. Similarly, here each package is used for a specific function. So here you can find a list of packages with their name and description. For example, a bind combine multi-dimensional arrays, agricole statistical procedure for agriculture research, airway range summarized experiment for RNA sequence in airway, smooth muscle cells, uh, app analyze for phylogenetic and evolution analysis. So if you want to draw a phylogenetic tree, you can use a package name app. Similarly, different package are found here, and if you say it instrument, it will not be wrong. So you can say these are instrument in R, but in R we say it as packages. No, our first step is we are going to do practical work on packages. So first we want to import our data set or file. How to import file in R. Please all participants do practice with me. Open your R Studio. All participants please open R Studio. All participants please open R Studio. And now our today task is how to import Excel file in R. To import Excel file, we need an instrument or package. Package for import Excel file is read Excel. Please all participants do practice with me and reply me within chat. Please let me know, have you opened RStudio? All participants have opened RStudio. Please remaining other participant also confirm me, have you opened RStudio? Please reply me within chat, so I will move to next step without any stay or wait. Farhad Alam, Muhammad Rizwan, Simon, no reply. Please do practice. It is a practical training. Okay. Now I am going to move next step. You can do if you don't want to do practice now. You can do after training by watching video. Okay. So we need a read Excel to import Excel file. Click on packages. In packages, here is a button name install. Before installing, first confirm read Excel. Have you read Excel? Instrument in your R lab. Similarly, when we go to biological lab and first we find our instrument. So similarly, when you are working with your R lab, you need to first find package or instrument is found in our R lab. So type here read Excel. Within screen number 4, click on packages. You can see an search bar right here, read Excel. Here showing me a read Excel. Now please confirm. Are you seeing this in your own laptop? Read Excel? No. Other participant, please. When you type read Excel in packages search bar, have you find this read Excel? Read Excel files 1.4.3. Just Mr. Hassan Abbas have replied no. I can see. Okay. And other one, please. Okay. If you can't see here, you need to first install this package read Excel. So click on install button. Click on install button. Type here read Excel. Those participants who are unable to see here read Excel, just click here is an option update within package update and install. Click on install button and type here with search bar read Excel and select here. Here is the two options read Excel and read Excel SB. You need read Excel. Just click on read Excel and press the button install. When you press the button install, you can see in screen number 2 a red dot appears that is showing that your R is in process or doing work. But a few seconds, it shows a final message package read Excel successfully unpacked and MD5 sum checked. No, if you don't have read Excel after running this installation, you you get read Excel in screen 4. Okay. Now try to import. Click on open screen 3 or come on screen 3. Just click here import dataset. Here in screen 3, here is a global environment. On the above of global environment, there is an import dataset, and below the history, there is an import dataset. Click on, here is a small arrow button. Click on arrow button and select from here from Excel. From Excel. Here is a search bar. Okay, I repeat this step. To import Excel file in or your data set or data file in R, come on screen number 3, and here is an environment history connection tutorial. Below the history, you can find import dataset. Here is an import dataset. Click on here import dataset. Select from Excel. When you select it from Excel, here is a search bar open. Browse here from and find your Excel file. Any Excel file have you in your desktop or in other sources. Here you can see a preview of your file, and then after preview, just click on import file. Now you can see Excel file is imported and it is shown on screen number 1, while the summary of ficus file or Excel file is found in screen 3, that is 150 observation and 5 variable. We do not have this data. No issue. If you have any data, you can import just for practice. I send you this data in group. You can download it and later on do practice. But if you have any file, you can import just for practice. Just 1 minute, I send you file. I sent this file in WhatsApp group. You can download it and try to import this file. I also share it in chat. No. No, all participants, please confirm me. Have you done this step? Have you import successfully Excel file or not? If any error or issue, please let me know. I will share your screen and resolve this issue. Please, all participants, you need to confirm it. Please, if you face any error or issue to import Excel file in R, please let me know, because it is very basic and very important step for data analysis. If you can't import your data file in R, you are unable to do any analysis on this data site without your Excel file. So this is very basic and very important step how to import dataset in R. Please all participants, just Dr. Muhammad Rizwan have done this step. I am just waiting for reply from all participants. Okay. Now we have done our first task. We have imported Excel file within R. No, okay. No, please download ficus file. I have sent you in WhatsApp group and chat, and try to import ficus file. No, we are going to draw basic graphs on this file. So please, all participants, import ficus file in your global environment of R. Here, you can see ficus. Don't change file name. Just download it and save with same name, that is ficus, and import it into global environment. Please import ficus files. I send you a new Zoom link. Actually, my Zoom ID have been expired, and now I have purchased new Zoom ID. So I send you link from Zoom new Zoom ID because it is going to end, showing me 1 minute left. So you import this file. I send you a new link.